I got my Eagle rods, brand new from America, delivered to Australia. All these are forged parts. And guess what car is going into? My 7M engine for the Toyota Supra. Can't wait, can't wait. Come on, box, stay up. Cooperate. There you go. Look at that. Forged metal parts. So I'm going to deliver these parts to the engine builder. I'm going to put this nicely in here for him. 6 of them. I'm going to take them down to him right now so that he can continue building my engine. And to go with these, I've got some pistons as well, forged pistons, custom made. I'm gonna go down there and hopefully it'll allow me to take a picture of them as well, or a film. And yeah, hopefully in the very near future I'll have these in a Supra. We can continue having fun in a Supra again. I'm gonna open up the box again. I was gonna take it out of the package. I forgot to take it out of the package. I was gonna take it out and just have a good look at them. See how they look. Yeah. Just in case some of you guys are interested in knowing what the Eagle connecting rods look like. And these are the ARP bolts that it comes with. ARP 2000 Eagle bolts. There you go. Just for your own information. They look like they're well made. I've had this for a few weeks now, or actually probably about a month. And it's got a little faint, I'll put them to the light. Don't know if you can see that, but it's got a little faint, there you go, imprint. I think it's laser etched into the actual metal. Little Eagle logo. And it's got another material on the pin side. This doesn't come with pins, so I hope the engine builder knows what he's doing, and maybe he could make some up or just use the old ones from the other from the old pistons. So that's what they look like. And it's got more etching on the other side. There we go. There you go. That's much clearer now. It looks like it's very faint. You can hardly see it. So I think it's laser etched. Let's see if I can do this this side as well. Now this side is hard to see. There he goes. There's an Eagle. Yeah. It's all machined. So these should work fantastic with my new newly freshly rebuilt engine once it's done. All right. Thank you for watching and subscribe.
Did you lose much?
He doesn't know yet.
Yep, done. Delivered my engine parts down at Winford Engineering in Melbourne, Victoria, Scoresby. Yep, there's his number there. He's a really good guy. Ray is a guy. He's really good. He'll definitely look after anybody who's got an engine that needs to be built. Yeah, this is the second engine he's done for me, and the first time he did the first one. After the first one for the Audi, I was really surprised, and the engine's still holding. And he was such a nice guy. Good price as well. Very good pricing. He doesn't overcharge me like most of the other engine builders try to do to me. I found that this guy was the most honest and price-friendly person to actually give work to. So yep, shout out to Ray in Winford Engineering.